It's me again. I'm back again. Where I left off at on my last video. This is May 25th, 2021, and now I'm going to pour my cylinders. And this I dropped my what's the name up here? Spilled some of my lavender. I can clean it up though. No biggie, because it's a mold. It don't belong up here anyway. This is one of my lavender ones. How did that spill? Oh God. Put it over here. Okay, my arm is burning because I burnt my arm. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm getting ready to pour in here my pineapple upside down cake. Jesus. Soap. It is a mess in here. But I'm going to use these 3 molds. These are still PVC pipes. And I have tape and rubber band on the bottom. Of course, the top is open. This is another one, a wider one. This one I used a long time ago. But this bar is so big. So over here I have my pineapple upside down cake batter. I've been using this spoon right here. As you see, it's broke since 2003. This soap is mostly olive oil. That's what took it so long to really stick together real nice and get real thick like this. It only has about 15% coconut oil, and the rest is olive oil. And of course, I added some Cocoa-Camide, which is a natural natural surfactant, because you know olive oil doesn't give you a lot of bubbles. It's very conditioning, but it doesn't release a lot of bubbles. So what I'm going to do right now is pour these in these lovely cylinders. I'm going to take my time and get them in here. I wish I had something to really hold it. I had something, but I don't know what I did with it. It was a heavy, heavy jar, but I want to get moving, so I don't want this to tumble over. I know what I'll do. I'll put it in my, when I used to be a candle maker. Okay. Yeah, just don't want it to popple over. You know what I mean? I'm going to pour it in this cylinder. And pour a little bit in at a time. I'm pour it about halfway. Then I'm going to pop it down. Pour it in the rest of the way to the top. Leave about 1 inch because it's going to settle down. I'll do the second one. Oh, see? That's exactly why you have to have these sitting together. Okay, I'll put that one in there. Okay, here we go. This one all the way up. I'm all the way up. Now, I'm going to show you a trick of how I do mine. It was done by mistake. I didn't smooth my edges on my cylinders on the inside. So my paper crinkles on the inside. And I like that because it makes my soap different on the outside. Instead of it being smooth and round on the outside, mine has some character all the way around it. Unlike this one will be nice and smooth because there's no paper in it. It's just PVC. And the other ones won't. But I'll do the unveiling of those at some point. Now this soap right here usually weighs almost 6 ounces when I slice it in a slicer. So I cut it in half, make them 3 ounces, make them a little bit smaller. Yes, it's going to be cool in the gang. Okay, now I need to get another mold. I got so much soap today, it's ridiculous. Because I think I'll use these little puppies. I've used so many molds today. I have so many, but let's try something a little different here. Let's move this over here a little bit. Don't get too testy. Move over here a little bit. This is my pineapple upside down cake. And what I'm going to do with this is really going to be really cute, guys. I bought this little corer so that when I get ready to, when soaps come out, they're round, I'll put a corer